Good day, everyone. Welcome to this video. So today I want to talk to you all about something that is quite intriguing, something that has actually already helped dozens of people, well, thousands of people, and that is still helping people. And it is actually something that helps you feel lighter, that helps you feel more joyful, that finally gives you that relief to see that you are achieving something that you've always wanted to achieve. So I am talking about the gelatin trick. The gelatin trick has been helping lots and lots of people. It's something that is giving the results that people have always been seeking. And if you are a person who feels a little off in the morning, you feel like there's something that is missing, then this gelatin trick could be what you've been waiting for. So guys, I will be leaving the gelatin trick step-by-step video guide and all the must-need-know informations, their official webpage right here below this video in the description box. And just so you don't miss it, I also did pin it in the very first comment below, okay? But I'll tell you what, the gelatin trick is pretty easy. You're going to be doing this with things you have in your house, in your kitchen, and you're going to be incorporating it into your daily routine every single morning, okay? If you are ready to start feeling like you can give yourself fully to your work, to your household chores, to walking your dog, or just going to the grocery stores, you're gonna do that, okay? Because this helps you with the energy you've been lacking. It helps you with the mood that you need to balance. So don't miss out on this gelatin trick because a lot of people are getting the best possible results ever. So pop over there right now to get to know more about it, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.